Nelly, you have come to welcome me. Wow, this my bed really missed me. Oh, Kai. I left since morning. I'm back. Let's go. I'm back. Today was stressful. Oh, sorry. I was saying, go and bring me that slippers. Ah, this Nelly is wasting time too much. Oh. Who is this Nelly? Nelly!
More music on trendybeats.com.
First things first, quench this thirst. Let me burst and take the first verse. Let's rehearse and play the next parts. I know it hurts to say the last words. Give me a minute, only a minute. Tell me a secret, tell me to keep it. Up in the Rari, baby, I promise I'm ready. But I couldn't carry you if your heart is too heavy. Love of my life, one of a kind. This kind thing maybe come overnight.
Oh,
All of my guys done it, call on my wife. All of my life I've been unorganized. No more apology.
I'm just happy for my Nelly. Nelly has been so good. As in, since Nelly came to my house, man, everything about me changed. Nelly, what needs to happen to Nelly? Should be in good health. Nelly can go to any message at all, even though outside the compound. If I don't sleep in the night, Nelly will never sleep. If I'm coming back from work, whatever time I'm coming back, Nelly will be waiting for me at the gate. And once Nelly hear my signal, she will just rush to the gate. This bed is a wonderful bed. It's a wonderful bed. Though it took me time to train this Nelly to this extent. Understand? You may think that it's not possible. It's possible. Understand? But it needs time and persistency. Understand? Some of them are even very easy to train more than human being. Understand? I said only 6 months. 6 months. Nelly came to my house. This is making 6 months now. But she can do everything. Understand? She knows all my neighbors. Sometimes I even tell Nelly to go and get something from my neighbors. She will go. So I'm very happy with this Nelly. Who would have helped me? I know I can't even do anything. If not this Nelly. Say now she will not even be angry. Which girl, which small girl, message like that really, without carrying face up? Girls of nowadays. This Nelly has really tried. Nelly! Come on, your food is ready. Don't worry now, eat. Don't be eating too much now. That small one's supposed to do you. That small one that you do now, I want to finish the food in this house. Wait, eat finish now. We'll even send you to go and bring this thing from Mama Nkechi. This thing.